9 weight loss tips that shouldn't work, but do. 1. Eat more to lose weight. Think you need to be eating less to lose weight? Think again. In fact, according to the National Institute of Aging, food restriction hasn't actually been scientifically proven to work for weight loss long term. Plus, it can even slow down your metabolism because your body is trying to conserve energy for later, making it harder to lose weight. No one got fat from bananas and carrots, so don't worry about the sugar content, says Young. Also, sometimes it's best to create the perfect pair for a satisfying snack. Adding a teaspoon or 2 to an apple is often more filling than just having the fruit. Having a 1/4 cup of hummus along with your veggies will keep you full longer, which will ultimately help you lose weight. It's not just about the calories, it's about enjoying foods that are healthy as well as filling. 2. Don't skimp on fat, add it. Contrary to popular belief, eating fat does not make you fat. There are quite a few fatty foods that are actually healthy for you and are even considered an essential part of a healthy diet. The types of fats you find in foods such as avocados, nut butter, fish, and even olive oil, can actually help slow down digestion and keep you feeling fuller for longer. So often people wanting to lose weight cut out fat to lose weight, unless they go on keto, and that is a completely different problem, says Young. Even though fat has more calories than protein and carbs, it is filling, so you ultimately eat less. So, enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack to lose weight. 3. Incorporate resistant starches into your diet. Yes, eat carbs. Carbs are great for your body, especially complex carbohydrates that are full of dietary fiber. Resistant starches are some of the best carbs you can have, which are full of fiber and keep you feeling full. Adding in prebiotic-resistant starch-rich foods, such as green banana flour, resistant potato starch, uncooked oats, legumes and lentils, and even cashew nuts, have been shown to both help you feel fuller for longer, reduce your appetite at your following meal, as well as help your cells become more responsive to insulin, meaning you don't need to have as much circulating insulin in your blood in order to regulate your blood sugar levels, which otherwise would play a role in also promoting fat storage, says Carol Landau, RD and founder at Uplift Food. To incorporate more resistant starches into your diet, Landau recommends eating overnight oats, because the oatmeal is uncooked, leaving the resistant starch, or even smoothies boosted with green banana flour. 4. Change your mindset. While we tend to always associate weight loss and healthy living with our physical bodies, weight loss, getting slim, working out, etc., being healthy also requires a major positive shift in our mindset, and getting rid of the mindset that we need to restrict our eating. Instead of focusing on your new way of eating as restrictive, focus on creating a structure for yourself. Dr. Rachel Paul, PhD, RD from collegenutritionist.com. You create your own structure. No food is bad or off limits. Think about and consciously decide what foods, in what portions, will keep you both emotionally and physically satisfied. It's 100% okay for this to be a trial and error process. 5. Skip the juice cleanse. Juice cleanses are often more harmful than helpful when it comes to weight loss, says Mackenzie Burgess, RDN, registered dietitian, nutritionist and recipe developer at Cheerful Choices. While the fruits and vegetables blended into juices have important vitamins and minerals, the juice itself is all quick-absorbing carbohydrates with little to no fiber or protein. The result? A temporary burst of energy and short-term satiety that will have you craving more food soon after. 6. Drink lots of water. One of the biggest factors in elevating your metabolism and helping you lose weight is staying hydrated, says Megan Bird, RD from the Oregon Dietitian. By drinking enough water during the day, you essentially fuel your body's metabolism and help increase your energy level at the same time. Even a slight drop in hydration has been shown to lower your metabolism all day long. Start your morning with a glass of water, and continue to drink water throughout the day to get the maximum benefits. 7. Fit all food groups in proper portions. We weren't kidding when we said you can eat all kinds of food in your diet and still lose weight. It's all about finding ways to fit it into an overall healthy lifestyle. Some surprising weight loss tips that actually work are eating foods with a balance of food groups in reasonable portion sizes and keeping your eating times to about 3 to 5 hours apart, on average. Richie Lee Hotz, Mississippi, RDN at A Taste of Health and expert at testing.com. This allows you to never feel too hungry or too full. In addition, by just including variety in your eating and utilizing an all foods fit approach, you can include the foods that you enjoy most without feeling restricted while still losing weight, which can help with your ability to maintain your lifestyle changes long term. 8. Get good sleep. Sleep for weight loss? Actually, yes. According to the journal Annals of Internal Medicine, not getting enough sleep actually resulted in a reduction of weight loss and fat, up to 55%. Jamie Fate, Mississippi, RD and expert at testing.com, says getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night is extremely important, to maintain weight loss. Along with sleep, proper hydration and eating more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins will get you the results you want over time. 9. Don't be afraid of high-calorie foods. Oftentimes people look to the lowest calorie foods to lose weight, when the truth is, that while typically a little higher in calories, protein, and healthy fats help you get full faster and stay full longer, says Amy Goodson, Mississippi, RD, CSSD, LD, author of the Sports Nutrition Playbook, and owner of RD Career Jumpstart. Thus, they can help you feel more satisfied with less food. Now, you still have to watch your portion sizes of those foods, but a little bit of nuts, peanut butter, cheese, avocado, etc. might actually help your weight loss goals. When you feel satisfied after meals and snacks, you are less likely to go looking for other food.